Guys, it's removing time. Yeah, you just get them. This is only my removing, guys, and some whites. First, let me get one white, and I'm first using this. It's also a remover and it's also a dryer. I like. I wasted. There. I need to use many whites. This. Yung whites na sa akin. Yeah, first using this because this is a great remover. Later na naman. Later na naman. Just get my mirror. Is it removing? Yes, later na yung last na to dito. And now yung isa na gagamitin natin. We need to do many here. Well, this is more effective, guys. Then, oh, my mascara. Forgot I have a mascara. Already. I wanna sleep now, so I'm totally right now. We just been for a second at a mall. I think we just eaten and played. We just played like that. So why did I put on makeup? If we're already going home, I wish I wasted my time just doing this makeup things. Joke lang. I love doing my makeup. My goodness. Oh my goodness, you just do like this. Just do this. Cotton. Cotton balls. I forgot I have this. It's like I'm the one who's crying because my boyfriend broke up to me. Like this is my face now. Look. Mascara over. Did I put too much water? Is it okay now? Yeah, it's almost. I'm just gonna use that Fiona later. Shock. Now why I always do many things? Yeah. Never do many things. Like, you always do many things. You have assignments at school? Yeah. Remember when I said are you here in Davao? Do you like here at Davao? I like it a bit, but my family is not here, so I'm still sad. I still didn't move on. First, let's put some of this, and we're putting some of this too. Yeah, two balls at a yeah, and then we just film it like this for already did my basic na because I didn't wanna sleep, so I didn't. There.